This video covers the topic of writing inequality given a graph on the number line. So, linear inequalities are like equations except instead of an equal sign, they have less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. They can also have many more solutions, sometimes infinitely many solutions. And we can graph these solutions on a number line, okay? So here I have x is less than or equal to 11. So x has to be both, let me switch colors, but x has to be both less than 11 and equal to 11. So because our endpoint is included, we use a closed dot. So for greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, our endpoint's included, we have a closed dot. If I have x is greater than 11, x has to be strictly greater than 11, right? So 11, my endpoint's not included, so we use an open dot, right? Because 11.1 is included, 11.0001 is included, but just not 11. So that's going to be our key takeaway. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through 4 examples. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at these graphs on our number line and write the inequalities for them. And let's use x for our variables. So here we have our first example. I have -1 all the way to negative infinity. That's what's over here, negative infinity. So I know that x has to be strictly less than -1 because -1's not included and we shaded to the left. For the second example, I have -2. I know it's not included in my endpoint, but I have all my x's to the right, so being positive. So I have x is strictly greater than -2. For this third example, I have a closed dot. That means I'm going to have a less than or equal to or a greater than or equal to. And I've got -2. Well, I know that x is going to have to be less than or equal to -2. Less than because it shades to the left, right? It's getting smaller. And for our last example, I have 4. 4 is included, so I know it's going to be, I have to be like one of these less than or greater thans. And I've shaded to the right, so it's definitely going to be greater than. X is greater than this endpoint, which is 4.